This is how you can make hummus from scratch. I'm going to show you my favorite recipe. Add 3 times more cold water than raw chickpeas, and it needs to stay like this at least for 8 hours, so do it before you go to sleep. And by morning it will triple its size. I recommend you to wash it with cold water after the soaking and cook it on low heat until they are soft. For more useful homemade food ideas, hit that subscribe button.
No! God, please, no!
You also need salt, pepper, lemon juice, garlic, onion, and good quality olive oil. And then with a blender just need to blend everything until it's smooth. By the way, if you want to know an easy way how to make a bread for the hummus, I leave a link in the description. Then I simply decorated with some paprika and tomato. See you next time.